Want to run farther? Are you ready to push your limits? In just 2 weeks, you can significantly increase your running distance. This isn't magic. It's about smart training, dedication, and a willingness to push yourself. Are you ready to transform your running? Let's get started. This 2-week plan is designed to help you safely and effectively increase your running distance. The plan revolves around 3 key runs each week: a long run, a tempo run, and an easy recovery run. Each run serves a specific purpose in improving your endurance and overall running ability. We'll break down each run type in detail in the following sections. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make in just 14 days. Long runs are the cornerstone of distance running. They are the foundation upon which all other aspects of your training are built. Whether you're training for a marathon, a half marathon, or just looking to improve your overall fitness, long runs play a crucial role in your development as a runner. They are not just about covering distance, they are about building resilience both physically and mentally. They build your aerobic base, improve your endurance, and help you become more efficient at using oxygen. This is essential for any distance runner because it allows you to run longer and faster without getting tired as quickly. Over time, your body becomes more adept at conserving energy and utilizing it more effectively, which is a key component of successful long-distance running. Long runs also strengthen your mental fortitude. The mental aspect of running is often overlooked, but it is just as important as the physical. Pushing through the discomfort and fatigue of a long run teaches you to stay focused and determined, even when the going gets tough. This mental toughness will serve you well in races and in life. Start with a long run that is comfortable for your current fitness level. It's important not to overdo it in the beginning. If you're new to long-distance running, start with a distance that you can handle without too much strain. This might be 3 miles, 5 miles, or even just 1 mile depending on your current fitness level. The key is to start where you are and build from there. Aim to gradually increase the distance of your long run by about 10% each week. This gradual increase helps to prevent injury and allows your body to adapt to the increased demands. For example, if your longest run is currently 3 miles, aim for 3.3 miles in week 1 and 3.6 miles in week 2. This incremental approach ensures that you are making steady progress without overloading your body. For example, if your longest run is currently 3 miles, aim for 3.3 miles in week 1 and 3.6 miles in week 2. This methodical approach to increasing your distance will help you build endurance safely and effectively. It's also important to track your progress. Use a running app or a smartwatch to keep track of your distances and times. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Remember, listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially during these long runs. It's normal to feel some discomfort, but you should never feel pain. If you do, it's a sign that you need to back off and give your body time to recover. Recovery is just as important as the run itself. Make sure to stretch, hydrate, and get plenty of rest. This will help you come back stronger and ready for your next long run. Tempo runs are faster-paced runs designed to improve your lactate threshold, which is the point where your body starts to fatigue at a faster rate. These runs should be challenging, but sustainable. A good rule of thumb is to run at a pace you could hold for about an hour. Start with a shorter tempo run, around 20 to 30 minutes, and gradually increase the duration over the 2 weeks. Tempo runs will make you a stronger, faster runner. Section 5. Recovery runs. Letting your body rebuild. Recovery runs are just as important as your hard workouts. They help your body recover, rebuild muscle tissue, and prepare for the next challenging run. Recovery runs should be easy and conversational. You should be able to easily hold a conversation while running. Keep these runs short, around 30 minutes, and focus on an easy, relaxed pace. Don't underestimate the power of recovery. Section 6. Strength training. Powering your stride. Strength training is a crucial but often overlooked aspect of running. It strengthens your muscles, improves your running form, and helps prevent injuries. Focus on exercises that target your core, legs, and glutes. Include exercises like squats, lunges, planks, and calf raises in your routine twice a week. Stronger muscles translate to a more powerful and efficient stride. Section 7. Fueling your runs. The importance of hydration. Proper hydration is essential for optimal running performance. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or a casual jogger, staying hydrated is crucial. Water is the primary component of our bodies, making up about 60% of our total body weight. It plays a vital role in regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and transporting nutrients to give you energy and keep you healthy. Without adequate hydration, your body cannot perform at its best. When you're dehydrated, your running performance suffers, and you increase the risk of cramps and other heat-related issues. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in blood volume, causing your heart to work harder to pump blood through your body. This can result in fatigue, dizziness, and even heat stroke in extreme cases. Additionally, dehydration can impair your body's ability to cool itself through sweating, leading to an increase in core body temperature. This can be particularly dangerous during long runs or races in hot weather. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, not just during your runs. It's important to start your run well hydrated and to continue drinking water throughout your workout. Carry a water bottle with you during your runs, and take small sips regularly to maintain your hydration levels. If you're running for more than an hour, consider using a sports drink to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. Remember, it's not just about drinking water during your run. Staying hydrated throughout the day is equally important. A good rule of thumb is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. This means if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim to drink 75 ounces of water daily. However, individual hydration needs can vary based on factors such as climate, activity level, and overall health. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly. Some signs of dehydration include dark yellow urine, dry mouth, and feeling thirsty. If you experience any of these symptoms, increase your water intake. So, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim to drink 75 ounces of water daily. To make it easier to track your water intake, consider using a water bottle with measurement markings or a hydration app. These tools can help you stay on top of your hydration goals and ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Additionally, eating water-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables can contribute to your overall hydration. Foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges have high water content and can help keep you hydrated. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about drinking water, it's about maintaining a balance of fluids in your body to support your overall health and running performance. Section 8, the power of nutrition. Fueling your body for success. What you eat is just as important as how you train. A balanced diet provides your body with the nutrients it needs to fuel your runs, recover properly, and build muscle. Focus on consuming a diet rich in complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates provide energy, protein aids in muscle repair and growth, and healthy fats support overall health. Good food choices include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and nuts. Section 9. Listen to your body. Rest and recover. Rest and recovery are just as crucial as your workouts. When you push your body to its limits, it undergoes stress and strain. This is a natural part of the training process, but it also means that your muscles, joints, and even your mind need time to recuperate. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injuries, burnout, and a decrease in performance. Your body needs time to repair itself and rebuild muscle tissue. This process is essential for gaining strength and improving endurance. When you rest, your body works to heal the microscopic tears in your muscles caused by intense exercise. This healing process not only repairs the damage but also strengthens the muscles, making them more resilient for future workouts. Additionally, rest helps to replenish glycogen stores, which are the primary source of energy during exercise. Make sure to incorporate rest days into your training schedule. Planning your rest days in advance ensures that you give your body the time it needs to recover. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of training and forget the importance of rest, but remember that rest days are an integral part of your overall training plan. Discuss your schedule with a coach or a training partner to ensure you're balancing your workouts with adequate rest. A good rule of thumb is to take 1 or 2 rest days per week. This can vary depending on your training intensity and personal needs. Some athletes may require more rest, especially after particularly grueling workouts or competitions. Listen to your body and adjust your rest days accordingly. It's better to take an extra day off than to push through fatigue and risk injury. During your rest days, engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or foam rolling. These activities help to keep your body moving without putting additional strain on your muscles. Light activities can also aid in recovery by promoting blood flow and reducing muscle stiffness. Gentle stretching can improve flexibility and prevent tightness, while foam rolling can help to release muscle knots and improve circulation. Pay attention to your body's signals and don't hesitate to take an extra rest day if you're feeling fatigued or sore. Fatigue and soreness are signs that your body needs more time to recover. Ignoring these signals can lead to overtraining and increase the risk of injury. It's important to be mindful of how your body feels and to prioritize rest when needed. Remember, rest and recovery are not signs of weakness. They are essential components of a successful training regimen. By giving your body the time it needs to heal and recharge, you'll be better prepared for your next workout and more likely to achieve your fitness goals. Section 10. The mental game. Believe in your ability. Running is as much a mental sport as it is a physical one. Your mindset plays a significant role in your success. Believe in your ability to increase your running distance. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. Positive self-talk can be a powerful tool. When you encounter challenges during your runs, focus on your strengths and remind yourself why you started running in the first place. Section 11. Start today. Your journey begins now. There's no better time than now to start your journey toward running longer distances. This 2-week plan provides you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Remember to listen to your body, fuel yourself properly, and stay positive. Lace up your shoes and hit the ground running. Your journey to becoming a stronger, more confident runner starts today.